Hello everybody and welcome. Today we are about to be discussing how to customize Shopify order confirmation page. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So to customize Shopify order confirmation page, it is actually quite simple. You need to head out to your online store, click on customize and just wait for a couple of seconds. In here you can see we have our website or store. Then let's just say we have order confirmation page somewhere around here. If you head over to your you can say like cart and then confirm your order, head over to your checkout and all that, so you can customize each and everything or stuff that is being shown on your page easily using this section. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.